Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this DirectX 12 not supported on Marvel Rivals. The first thing you want to check to see if you have DirectX 12 on your system. So type in run in the search box, press enter, type in DXDIAG, press enter. And this will bring up your system diagnostics. On the very bottom, you're gonna see DirectX version here. If you do not have it, you can download it. I'll put a URL in the video description below, but you want to come here and you want to select the language, which is probably English. Hit the download button, restart your computer to see if that works. If you want to force DirectX 11, you can right click on Marvel Rivals in your library, hit properties. By the way, I would recommend turning off the Steam overlay while in game. But under launch options, under general, you can type in -DX11 and that will force the game to run in DirectX 11. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.